everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another What I Eat in a Day, where I show you all the healthy, delicious meal ideas that are easy, healthy, and good for you. If you are new, my name is Liv and I would love to have you here. Feel free to subscribe, join the fam. And like I said, today we're doing a What I Eat in a Day, but it is an extra special What I Eat in a Day because I am collabing with HealthNut Nutrition, who is a fellow Canadian YouTuber as well. She makes delicious, healthy recipes, wellness style videos, plus she has the cutest dog, Cashew. I mean, that's just like the perfect name, I think, for a dog, Cashew. How precious is that? So make sure to check out her video. She's gonna be making some of my recipes and I am going to be making some of hers. And she has a fabulous cookbook. I mean, guys, look at this cookbook. And so I'm gonna be making some of her recipes today. So I was flipping through and this curry spinach omelet really spoke to me. I mean, guys, come on, how delicious does that look? But if you just like flip through her whole book, I mean, look at all these pictures. If you're like me, you eat through your eyes and like all of them look so delicious, but I'm hungry now. Let's go ahead and get started on breakfast. Okay, so I'm about to take my first bite. Let's go ahead and have a taste. It is so good. There's so much flavor. It's like a subtle little curry flavor, but like still delicious. So this is definitely gonna be like a new recipe that I make in my kitchen a lot because it's just so flavorful. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat it while it's still warm. So I just got back from the grocery store. I decided to walk, especially because it's a very nice day out in Toronto. It's like the nicest and warmest it's been in a very long time. So I had a really nice walk. I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I got. I just got a couple things, but I really like to walk when I can, get some movement in, listen to a podcast. But yeah, I'll show you just a couple things that I grabbed. So I grabbed some coconut flour because I want to make these brownies from Nicole's cookbook, and I was fresh out of coconut flour. Some coffee for the week. I just like a dark roast French. Make sure to get organic coffee, that's really important. Some baby spinach and arugula, lemons, and I've been craving midday squares. If you guys haven't tried these, they are super delicious and they have a little bit of crunch. Anyways, just got a few things and that's it. So because it was so warm outside, I'm really craving like an iced coffee, and I remember that I have cold brew still in my fridge. So I'm gonna have some cold brew, but I'm gonna add some almond milk to it. And if you guys saw the video, 10 foods I eat every week, which coincidental, lighting's bad, which funny enough was inspired by Nicole. I love this brand milk. This is the vanilla one, so coffee tastes really good, but it's only 4 ingredients. Water, almonds, vanilla bean, and Himalayan salt. So I'm gonna add a splash of this into my cold brew and just get to work. I don't think I mentioned that it's Sunday while filming this. So like I do work on Sundays. When you work for yourself, like I don't know, I find I do at least a little bit of work or tidying or organizing the week just to set myself up. So I'm gonna be doing some organizing, drink some cold brew, and I'll check in with you guys next time I eat something. So it's about 2 o'clock. I'm a little peckish, so I am going to have this Vital Proteins collagen bar. This one's the lemon vanilla. I haven't tried this flavor before, but I've tried the chocolate almond and that was really good. 6 grams of fiber, 1 gram of sugar, 12 grams of collagen, and 17 grams of protein. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. So I thought I would do a little Sunday baking, and Nicole has a recipe for these almond swirl chocolate brownies, which sound absolutely delicious. And that way I find when like you make a baked good on Sunday, you can have one like every day throughout the week. So I always like making like a little sweet treat on Sunday. So we're gonna go ahead and make this, but first we have to take dinner out of the freezer before I forget. If you guys saw my 3-ingredient meals video, which was the one before this, I made like spaghetti squash and meat sauce. I froze part of it because I wasn't gonna be able to eat it all that day, so I'm gonna have that with some leftover spaghetti squash. But anyways, this has to defrost. So the brownies are in the oven and the house smells so incredible. I wish you guys could smell this along with me, but you're gonna smell it when you make the brownies. I wanted to mention that I am doing a giveaway of her cookbook on my Instagram, so make sure to head on over there. It's just Keep Up With Liv on Instagram, so you can get a chance to win her cookbook and you can make the delicious recipes. And I'll leave a link for her cookbook too in case you want to pick that up. So the brownies have been cooling for about 10-15 minutes. Just finishing up my mason jar of water, and this is basically your reminder to hydrate. So grab your water and let's hydrate together right now. So this is how they turned out. I'm about to take them out of the tray. I will note I used a 9x9 because I don't have an 8x8 and they still really turned out perfect. So I'm gonna pop them out and slice them up. I was gonna wait till after dinner to have one, but I can't resist. We have to have a taste test right now. Wow, they are so chocolatey, so fudgy. I'm definitely gonna have one after dinner and probably finish off this one little bit, but like, I'm really pumped I made these and that I have them for the week. So if you have her cookbook or when you get it, definitely make these almond swirl brownies. So it's about 5 o'clock and I'm about to make dinner. If you follow me on Instagram or if you've seen my What I Eat in a Day, that's true, I eat early. I'm a big like, I eat at 5:30 normally, like 6 is normally later for me. I do also do intermittent fasting, so I like to eat earlier. I feel better when I eat a bit earlier because you don't want to eat like 2 to 3 hours before bed because that affects your sleep because there's too much food and your body's digesting instead of resting and recuperating. So I like to eat early and like I showed you before, we're defrosting some of that meat sauce to have with the spaghetti squash that was in my 3-ingredient meals video, which if you haven't seen, I will leave it here and down below. I'm gonna heat that up and I'm also gonna make a little side salad. It's just spinach and arugula mix like that you get from the greens bin. I add olive oil, salt and pepper, and I kind of eat that while everything else is heating up just to get some greens in. And I really like just like adding that to meals. That's one of my top tips that I like to give to people is focus on adding to what you're normally having versus taking away. That way you're not like thinking of it as depriving, you're just adding to whatever you're having. So just starting with like a base of simple olive oil and greens is a great way to start your meals, and then you can have whatever you're having for your meal after. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. So this is my bowl. I know it doesn't look fancy, but honestly, it tastes delicious. And I'm gonna watch Working Moms, which if you haven't seen on Netflix, Working Moms is so good. Plus it's Canadian, it was set in Toronto, so I'm gonna eat and yeah, watch my show. So yes, I do change into my pajamas pretty much right after dinner, if not like right before dinner while it's cooking. And now I have my delicious almond butter swirl brownie. I'm so excited to dig in. I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day. Don't forget to check out Nicole's video. And thanks again to Nicole for collabing with me. I hope this gave you some really good ideas and kind of just shared, you know, another really good creator's recipes. So I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.